And every time I had to go into one of the drawers.
Those drawers suck. No matter how meticulously you tried to push it straight in, one side jammed. It's like, and okay, so you push a little over here, but then it goes too far, and then next thing you know, you're doing the crab walk.
I'm guessing these won't fit in there, but no, because it's probably wider.
Yeah. Oh, look. This is hilariously funny. They fit.
Do they really? They do. We could put them on the bottom.
Well, I mean, right now you've got a fairly evenly spaced amount.
But let's keep them.
Yeah, I mean, there's no need to throw them away because they might have. I mean, they're kind of scratched up, and again, I keep opening the door. That's why it's never going to get down to temperature on the inside. But once the food goes in, the food will keep the cold air in.
Okay, well, I want to give it at least 30 minutes.
30 minutes more? Because it's been cooling down for hours now.
I want to give it 30 minutes.
Okay. You did get your picture of this one before I started this, right?
I think so. Yeah, it's so tall. This top shelf is so tall, it's hard for me to get in, but I don't want to lower it down because...
I'll give you your 30 minutes before I move anything else. So, I think you're going to find that there's just so much more space, you may not mind having that big empty spot up top.
Right, and we've got 3 drawers here, but I don't use them because they're so bad.
Right.
And here we have 1, 2, 3 shelves. And there we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves.
Right. That's what I'm saying. It's like you've probably forgotten, but I think you're going to start quickly realizing how much space you get. It's kind of funny, they were right.
Huh?
This door is a hair bit lower now. We added food. It said in the instructions that the doors are aligned when they're empty, or they're not aligned when they're empty because when you add food, it's supposed to be designed that it drop. Yeah, right. Something like that.
Well, this one dropped down because there's food in it, so yeah. Maybe once we add food
to that
one,
it'll drop down a little bit too. But the key thing is it's not that important and it's not that off, so it's not like I'm really that worried about it, you know what I mean?
Ah!
So much stuff fits in the door. And I haven't even had to go to the fridge yet.
Yeah, it's all messed up.
Ta-da! Open it, don't you? See, there's no white bands around the drawer, so it doesn't block your view of the stuff that's in there. So much easier to see.
Yeah, I guess really there's no room for any more.
Yes, that's kind of what I was saying. It's like...
It's letting me know the door's ajar.
That's kind of cool.
Like...
Takes a certain amount of time.
Well, it had been open too long.
Winning! Okay, are you ready to officially decommission the old one?
Wait. Bye bye bye. Bye bye. What's that noise?
This thing is pretty noisy, isn't it? Have you heard that one yet?
Oh, I can hear it right here.
So it's running?
Yes.
Wow. It's so much quieter.
I told you that thing was loud as F. Man, my kitchen video is going to be so much quieter now.
And remember, some of those are adjustable.
I know they are. I'm just starting.
Yeah, I was just letting you know. I mean, you're talking about ordering an extra shelf. That might actually be a good place to get another shelf.
That's true. I've got a freezer. I have got a freezer. I have got a freezer. Nothing will fall on my feet.
So definitely cooking turkey tomorrow.
You know, just so.